Hello people from the World Wide Web. Basically I'm not going to give you guys the whole story, but due to some personal circumstances I am now over here. I have my whole setup over at my other place. I don't really do many I don't really do many videos over here, but yeah, I'm now staying here for a while until further notice. So yeah, I brought everything with me. Anyway, the point of this video is this. This is my 2014 Haswell build, and yeah, I kind of built this out of spare cash because I didn't really have enough money to get everything I wanted. So I want to get a new graphics card. Hopefully a GTX 770, but for that I need a better power supply because there's only a 430 watt in there right now. So I bought these. This is a Corsair TX650M. It's the same power supply I had in my old build, and I also bought this ASUS wireless card, which is also the same card that was in my old build. So this video is probably going to be a repeat of the upgrade video I did for my old build, but whatever, I'm gonna video it anyway because yeah. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and set up the tripod, and yeah. Unboxing of the part, so I'm actually going to angle my camera down at the floor for that. Pardon my feet. Here we have, the box. This is an open box. That's reduced price. I paid $94 for this, obviously. Which, I mean, yeah, it's a lot of money, but I seriously trust this power supply because I've had the same one before. So, yeah. So everything should be here. The only thing that's missing from this is actually the manuals and the little case badge, but I don't really care about that. It's just a power supply. All I needed to do is work. So yeah, here is the actual supply itself. So I'm going to go ahead and set that to the side for now. And this is the 650M, so it is modular. So here are all the modular cables. I'm actually going to kind of open. Hopefully. Maybe. Okay. I have to get a knife. There we go. Yeah. Alright, so in getting the power supply we have modular Molex, PCIe, actually this is an 8-pin, so I guess this is for CPU, and then we have the 6 to 8-pin, so this is also, well, this is for the graphics card, so yeah. And we have a Molex to 4-pin adapter, which is kind of nice. And then the power supply itself has permanently attached, obviously the 24-pin and the SATA cables. So it is only slightly modular, partly modular, whatever you want to call it. But that's okay because, it'll be fine, don't worry. So go ahead and peel off the little sticker on the Corsair logo, which is kind of hard to do. Alright, so there it is. See, one little piece of plastic. Try to get that off. Alright. Come on, plastic, don't be on beach. Plastic's going to be on beach. That doesn't matter, it's going to be facing this way anyway. So, here it is. Wow, okay. We have 54 amps on a single 12-volt rail. So this is pretty beast power supply. This will run pretty much anything. So yeah, I really like Corsair power supplies just because they're pretty damn high quality, and I just like Corsair as a company overall. They make really good stuff, which is kind of why half my build is Corsair parts. So yeah, there's that. So I guess, yeah, okay, I'll go ahead and put the power supply in, so that's what we'll do now. Okay, so here's the 430 watt Antec that I've been using. It's not the greatest thing in the world, and it's only 430 watts obviously. So we're going to replace it. I can't remember. Okay, well this has 25 amps on two 12-volt rails, so 50 amps total. That's not bad. But anyway, yeah, I have to go ahead and get going with this. I'm just going to jump cut to the power supply out. I'm not going to video the whole thing. So yeah, alrighty, the power supply, well the old one, is out. Out with the old, in with the new. Let me go ahead and put her right in there. Well, she's in, and it looks pretty good if I say so myself. Looks better, I think. So yeah, with the sleeved cables you can't really see the black as much. And it looks pretty good. the next thing I want to do is install that wireless card. Now I'm going to install it to at this bottommost X1 slot. Actually, let me go ahead and position the camera. Well, actually, no, it's fine. That way I can do an unboxing, or a little unboxing. So yeah, we have the warranty. We have, well, this is an open box too, so we have the 2 antenna. We have different, wait, oh, this is for low profile. And then we have the actual card here. So, exactly the same thing I had before. Yeah, dual band. It's pretty nice. Not a bad little card, so figure out which one. Alright, so it's that one. I think I need a screwdriver for that. Wait, forgot already. Is it this one? Yes. Wait. Okay, yeah. I'm not thinking too amazingly straight today, guys. Sorry about that. Just been a little, I don't know what you call it. Oh, and by the way, I am on Skype with Tyler5310 up there, so shout out to him. You know, we go way back, so yeah. He a cool dude. So let's go ahead and shove this baby in. There we go. Go ahead and put the thumb screw back in. There we go. Make sure it's good and tight. There we go. So let me go ahead and flip my PC around. We'll go ahead and install the 2 little adapters. Let me go ahead and zoom in for that. There we go. There we go. So let me go ahead and unbox the 2 adapters here. Or the 2 antennas, I mean, sorry. So yeah, these just screw on, they're pretty simple. So yeah, this ought to be way better than a USB solution, which is what I was previously using. Well, actually no, I was using a WRT54G, but I've used USB solutions in the past and they're absolute crap. So, I've had this card before and I know it's good, so. Yeah, let me go ahead and just turn that around. The antenna's up, kind of like that. And there we are. The wireless card is in. So is the power supply. This upgrade is done. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back together and fire it up. But as for the video, that is about it. So this build is slowly getting better. The next thing I will get for it is a graphics card, obviously. And that's where this little 6 and 8 pin adapter, and possibly this one too, depending on the card. I think the 770 uses 2 of these, so that's where these will come in handy. So yeah, the other Molex will just stuff back in the box. But yeah, that's the upgrade. Yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching.